So there's a new and expanded facility at Burke Lake Golf Center. We have our existing 18-hole par 3 golf course. Within the past year, we have opened up a 64-station double-decker driving range. With downstairs, we have 24 covered heated bays for year-round use. We have a new 4,000 square foot clubhouse with an increased dining area. Mulligan's Grill is open with indoor-outdoor seating. We have a much bigger pro shop with apparel, shoes, everything that we didn't have before in the old building. We have a golf academy office in the clubhouse that teaches the group lessons and private instruction. Some of the benefits of having a double-decker covered driving range: we are open year-round, rain or shine. You can hit balls during all inclement weather. In the off months, we have heaters downstairs and the lower level beneath us. You can hit balls during, when it's 40 degrees, have a heater directly above every hitting station. There's 24 stations downstairs that all have individual heaters. There's also extra heaters in the rental party area downstairs for people to have birthday parties or functions year-round. So Burke Lake is a great place to come practice your short game. We have 18-hole par 3 course, short course, easy for families, kids, juniors, all ages to play. For more information about the Burke Lake Golf Center, please visit our website.